Good morning, 10th class children. We are doing trigonometry, fourth exercise, and formulas notes again I will make here. Trigonometry. Number one, identities. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Allied formulas. Sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. And b cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. Second, 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. And a 1 is equal to secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. And b tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta minus 1. Third, 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta minus 1. And here the 1 is equal to cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta. And b cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta minus 1. And fourth, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. And fifth, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. And product of reciprocals. Product of trigonometrical ratios. Product of trigonometrical ratios and their reciprocals. And their reciprocals. Which is equal to 1. Example, sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Cos theta into sec theta is 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Right. Now, start the routine for 7th problem. These are all important. Know that sin A plus cos A plus cos A into sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now, in LHS, sin A plus cosec A whole square, cos A plus sec A whole square. Let us expand. LHS, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. It is under A plus B whole square. Expand it first. Sin squared A plus cosec squared A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Of papers. A square plus B square plus 2A. Sin squared A plus cosec squared A plus 2 into sin A cosec A. Plus cos squared A plus sec squared A plus 2 cos A sec A. Product of these reciprocals is 1. And here sin squared A, here cos squared A also 1. Now, let us write sin squared A plus cos squared A 1. So let us write here 1. Sin squared A plus cos squared A 1 plus 2 sin A cosec A. Product of the reciprocals is 1. 2 into 1 plus cos A into sec A. Product of reciprocals is 1. 2 into 1 plus what is left here? Cosec squared A plus sec squared A left. Okay. Now this is 1 plus 2 plus 2. What is cosec squared A? Cosecant squared. Cosec 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta. 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta, and 1 plus tan squared theta is sec squared theta. In place of cosec squared A, we can write as 1 plus cot squared A. In place of sec squared A, we can write as 1 plus tan squared A. Now, add 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 2 plus 7. 7 plus tan squared A plus cot squared A 2. Both are LHS is equal to RHS. Very, very important. Easy also. Under A plus B whole square expand. Under A plus B whole square expand. We get 6 terms. Among the 6 terms, sin squared A plus cosec squared A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cos squared A plus sec squared A plus 2 cos A sec A. Here this is 1, 2 into 1. Here this is also 2 into 1. And sin squared A plus cos squared A also 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2. And cosec squared A plus sec squared A terms are left. We know cosec squared A is nothing but 1 plus cot squared theta, and secant squared theta is 1 plus tan squared theta. In place of cosec squared A, what we can write 1 plus cot squared A, and this is for sec squared A, 1 plus tan squared A. Total we are getting numerical value 7. Trigonometrical ratios are tan squared A plus cos squared A. Very important and easy also. Seventh question. Now 8. Simplify. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta. So it's easy. Half mark question. డబ్బా కింద పడి అన్నీ పోతుంది. నేను కరెక్ట్. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A minus B into A plus B. And the formula A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So the product of these first two terms is 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta cosec square theta. These two are reciprocals. Product of reciprocals is 1. Both are squares. It keeps same terms but reciprocals. So product is 1. Next. Nine. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? So we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and here 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. It is in the form of A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Now split 1 is equal to sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan. Its value given, sec theta plus tan theta value given P. So whenever we write P into sec theta minus tan theta is left. So here it is 1. He is asking find the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is therefore sec theta minus tan theta is equal to, then it is in into form, going left side as pi. So 1 by P. The value of sec theta minus tan theta is simply reciprocal, 1 by P. If it is sec theta plus tan theta is K, and sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by K. If this is K, then this is 1 by K. Reciprocals. Like. Similarly, next problem 10. Immediately we can write is 1 by reciprocals. If it is K, 1 by K. If it is M, it is 1 by M. If it is 5, it is 1 by 5. Then immediately we can write 1 by reciprocal. Seventh one. If cosec theta plus cot theta is k, then prove that cos theta is equal to e squared minus 1 by e squared plus 1. Given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, given, then immediately we can write cosec theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. In previous problem we proved reciprocal. Now, adding plus to minus cancel. 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. LCM is k squared plus 1. Then cosec theta is equal to a squared plus 1 by 2k. This into 2 come this side as by. This is plus. First. Second time subtract. Cosec theta plus cot theta is k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. Reciprocal. In previous problem, p given. Second one is 1 by k. Reciprocal. Here k given. Plus k minus 1 by k. Adding. Plus minus cancel. Cosec theta plus cosec theta to cosec theta is this much. And here 2 is there, coming this side by. Say this is 1. And second, subtract. Write the same. Cosec theta plus cot theta is k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. Subtracting. First time adding, second time subtracting. signs changes, minus plus minus. So plus cosec theta minus cancel, plus cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta, 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. LCM k square minus 1, 2 cot theta. Then only cot theta is equal to a square minus 1 by 2k. Say this is 7. Dividing 2 by 1. Third step. This is first step. This is second step. Third step. Dividing 2 by 1. Cot theta by cosec theta is equal to k squared minus 1 by 2k by k squared plus 1 by 2. Here what is cot theta? Cos by sine. Cos theta by sine theta into denominator cosec theta is k. Cosec theta is equal to 2k cancel. This is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here product of these reciprocals sin theta into cosec theta, they are reciprocals, the product is 1. So finally we get cos theta is equal to, therefore cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 root. Like this. Very important. 4 marks problem. First add, second time subtract. We get cot theta is this much, cosec theta is this much. Divide. We get cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is very important. Good. That is. One more extra problem not given in textbook. Extra problems. On level same. So that tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta if is d, then show that sin theta is equal to e squared minus 1 by e squared plus 1. So just now we did in 10th problem. Same. Once first step add, second step third step subtract, third step divide. Then we get answer. This much. And the 12th cos power 4 theta. So that minus sin power 4 theta is equal to, there are three answers. Cos square theta minus sin square theta or 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. There are three answers. Cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. First answer. Second answer 2 cos square theta minus 1. Third answer 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Easy. From LHS we have to prove this 3. I will show. Take LHS. Cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Now this is cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Now this is cos square theta, it is a square minus b square. In place of a cos square theta, in place of b sin square theta. So its product is factors are a plus b into a minus b. A cos square theta plus b sin square theta. A square plus b square. A plus b. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta. Oh. But cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So write here 1. 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta is left. So first answer, we obtain first answer. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Yes, first one prove. Cos square theta minus sin square. This is number 1. Number 2. From this cos square theta minus sin square theta, we have to prove 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is second. Third, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now he is asking only cos square theta. Here both cos square theta and sin square theta. We have to change it. Sin square comes into cos square terms. How? Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta, you write cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now this is cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta. No, cos square theta plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Prove. Second. Third, convert cos square theta into sin square theta. Cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. In case of cos square theta, we can write as 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Now this is 1 minus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Prove. Like this. We have to prove. These questions are not given in our textbook, but in public exam they ask. Let us do few more problems.